Hey guys, I'm Cindy Yang and I'm a home and interior design influencer. I'm here with my husband Will and we are here with Walmart Home to help you guys get your home Thanksgiving ready.
So regardless of whether it's Friendsgiving or you have the whole family coming over this Thanksgiving holiday, we're gonna take you room by room and show you how to get things prepped and ready to host properly.
Well, I've got a few things to unbox in the kitchen, so let's head on over there and we will see you later. All right, guys, so I was at Walmart earlier and got a ton of great Thanksgiving goodies, but I just wanted to show you my favorites. So first off are these super cute napkin rings. They have little pumpkins on them and little maple leaves. I just love the warm tones on them and thought they'd be really great to spice up the dinner table. And along with them are these really awesome linen napkins. What I loved about these was that they're just really thick and durable. There are so many colors to choose from. It was really hard to pick, but I just thought I'd go with classic orange for Thanksgiving. They also had such amazing dishes to pick from. This little gravy boat was too cute to pass up. I love the little design. Once again, so many options, super affordable, and just really pretty and durable. And there's a lot more that I got. I will set everything up later, but for now, let's go see what Will is doing.
All right, folks, we are here in the kitchen to talk about holiday beverage selections and also the decor surrounding your holiday drink station. So first of all, let's talk about placement. Why do we have the drink station or our little beverage nook placed here in the kitchen? Well, every once in a while, guests feel a little bit shy or bashful when they first enter your house. You know, are we allowed to take an order or is it for later? Basically, placing your beverage station right next to all of the yummy snacks you've put out for Thanksgiving is a great nonverbal cue to say, come on in, we put this out for you, come and enjoy. Let's talk about the 2 G's of a great holiday beverage station. We've got glassware and we've got garnish. So garnish is great because it's a really simple but effective way to really elevate any holiday beverage, be it cider or, you know, like a sparkling juice or something of that nature. And as we have all different assortments of holiday beverages that we can enjoy, we should also take glassware into consideration. Again, if it's like a sparkling juice or something like that, we can use a stemmed glass. If it's something like a cider, a classic drinking glass is a great way to go. Finally, the other thing we want to keep in mind is we don't want to leave our guests in suspense regarding what's in the punch bowl or this lovely festive drink dispenser. Put out a label for your guests. Let them know if they're going to be enjoying a cider or a kitty cocktail. Again, it's just a great way to kind of give folks a heads up regarding what they're going to be enjoying. So with all of this in mind at our drink nook, let's head right on into the dining room and see what Cindy's working on for place settings.
All right, so I just got done decorating the Thanksgiving dinner table. What I love to do when I start decorating is just lay down a runner. This plaid one from Walmart was absolutely perfect and just so cozy for Thanksgiving. I love that it softens up the dining table, just kind of the hardness of the dining table, and just really adds another layer. I also loved this candelabra that I saw at the store. Super simple and just so versatile. What I did was I got this maple leaf garland, wrapped it around, did a little DIY, and later in the year, I can take that garland off and just reuse the candelabra throughout the year for my everyday table. I also saw these super cute cranberry colored plates. Just fell in love with them once again. For Thanksgiving dinner, warm tones is really the vibe that I like to go for. So these cranberry plates were perfect. They also had super cute pumpkins. I love these little glittery ones with a bit of gold at the top. You can stick a little name tag in there just to make it extra special for Thanksgiving dinner. They also had simple ones that were easily DIY-able. And yeah, that is our Thanksgiving dinner table. I think it looks pretty good. So let's head on over to the living room to see what Will has in store for us for games.
All right, so we've got the table set, the kitchen's ready to go. How are we looking?
I think it looks really good up in here.
I think it all came together rather nicely. So there's a possibility that with all this good food and drink around, someone may have fallen asleep at the dining room table. But to combat that, we have our favorites on hand, some snacks to keep the blood sugar up, and to get everyone out of their seats and shouting in the healthy spirit of competition, we've got some of our favorite Thanksgiving games on hand.
Well, thank you so much for joining us, guys. Remember to like and subscribe for more Walmart How We Home tips and tricks videos, and we hope to see you guys next time.
Thanks, folks.